Alright guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So right now in this video, we're just going to be analyzing some series of pairs and let's see how the market is moving so you can learn from it, you know what I mean. But now as you can see on the screen, let me start from GBPUSD. As you can see on the screen, this is the 4-hour GBPUSD, the 4 hours time frame. See, lately I don't know what I've been seeing on price. I've been seeing a lot of jargons everywhere in the forex market. I'm not gonna lie, I've not traded really well. In fact, for the past like one week plus now, I've been hitting break even back to back, break even back to back. I will show you guys on the screen so you can see for yourself. Break even back to back. So, but these are not the moves that we want to be seeing. Don't forget, this is 4 hours time frame. Each candlestick that you're seeing here is for 4 hours. It's 4 hours. These are not the moves that we want to be seeing. These are liquidities. Now, if you look at the structure, normally we know that yes, for GBPUSD is an uptrend, is on buys ever since. But now look at the way price is moving. This is the overall external break of structure, internal break, and a little external break. So now this is the 4 hours order block. Now this is a very good break of structure. Do you know why? Because of the impulsiveness of how the candlestick moves. You get, so this is a very good and clean break of structure. So you need to mark the origin, which is a 4 hours order block, before you take your move. But now see what price is doing. I did not trade this price because of EURUSD. I will explain later. Now with this kind of move, I don't trust this move in the forex market. This is telling me that these big banks, they are gathering a lot of liquidity for buyers in order for the sell side to be taken out. I don't know if you get what I'm talking about. Now these are lows, these are liquidity lows. Price is also supposed to, since this is the normal movement of the structure, we are supposed to be seeing moves, bullish candlestick, maybe a little pullback, continue. But with all of this one, all these are more like fractals. And these are fractals. These are not moves that we are expecting. So I don't know, but in due time, I'm seeing GBPUSD, EURUSD selling drastically. I don't know for you, but for me, what I'm seeing, I'm seeing them selling so hard. So that's why I've not been on this trade. So I don't really understand. But let's look for EURUSD. And let's see. Now this is EURUSD. Look at the structure of EURUSD. If you observe, it's still a bullish trend, but now see where price mitigated. This is 4 hours, so don't forget to see where price mitigated, and there's still a fair value gap here, and this is the 4 hours of that block. So let's just say here is an inducement. Now price went up, it's going up. See what happened. I traded this pair. Yes, I don't know if you're watching my video, you will see most of the videos that I showed how I took that setup. Still normal strategy as a smart 50 trader. Now there was a manipulation from here. They collected our stop loss, they moved up, and now just see the way the price is moving. Everything is just scattered. Everything is scattered. But let's keep hoping. Let me go to another pair. For EURUSD, I'm still looking for buy, so I'm waiting for price to get to this area before we buy. Yes, I'm waiting for price to get to this area before I will swing my buys, because here is a break from here, but this break of structure is not really too confirmed. But these are liquidity because there's an internal break of structure from here. So here is a low, so there's a liquidity here, and here is more like inducement. So I'm waiting for price to get to this area first before I can swing the buy again. Then GBPJPY. I don't know GBPJPY. I don't know what's happening here. We are in for the buys, but it did not obey my pattern. I was waiting for price to get to this 4 hours of that block, but it did not trigger it. But now it's still going up. But now I see why I've not traded this pair. From this area, it's more like noise. I don't understand what's happening here. I'm not seeing any break. I'm not seeing good liquidity sweep. Nothing, but price is just doing its own. And that's how I'll be looking at it. This is one thing I'm always telling you as a trader. You cannot expect that every time you come into the market, you will see your setup. It is not possible. There are some days that you will come into the market and you will not meet your setup because you are fighting against millions and billions and trillions of people in the forex market. So don't expect your strategy to always be in the forex market every day you enter. The time that you don't see it, don't trade. Chikina, pass like that. So for the past like 1 week now, I'm not seeing anything to trade in GBP JPY, USD JPY. These pairs, I'm not seeing anything to trade. See, they're all noise. I've not seen it. This one, I caught this one. Yes, I know. If you check my videos, you'll see it. My recent videos. I'm not saying it. Okay, what is the meaning of all this? All these are noise, and you do leave them. See, price restructure again to your algorithm. Then before you can pick your feet. You know what I mean? So let's go. Let me show you for gold. Gold, I don't know gold. In fact, for about 2 weeks now, I've not traded gold. So you are saying all these are noise. Okay, what is the meaning of this? There was a break from here. Look at what price. The price came to the first level. You expected it. It did not take out the structure. It also came down and sweep out the stop loss again here. I came to this place. Now, which zone is this that price mitigated? I don't know. What are they doing here? I know that yes, there are orders in this area. There are orders, but how can you see it? Stop loss is inevitable. You will hit stop loss. But now see what price is doing now. Price is now going back. Some people now will say, okay, yes, sellers. I think sellers, they want to come into the market because there was a break from here, and there was a break from here. There was a break from here, and there was a break from here. So the people will say, okay, sellers want to come into the market, and they will mark this area as their OB. Now remember, some sellers will take some sales from here to swing, but now so another stop loss hit, boom. So if you look at gold, gold is more like these are noise. I'm not seeing my pattern, I'm not seeing my strategy, I'm not seeing my algorithm. So I will leave it. I'm not trading gold now for 2 weeks. They don't force me coin, not with me, institutional investor. Why is my stop loss to go chop? Not me. Now let's go to GBPUSD. Now let's go to daily time frame. I want to show you guys something. So you can see GBPUSD is on a bullish trend, which is taking out the buy side liquidity. Now I don't really understand, I don't really understand the forex market this period because I don't know what they are doing, but I'm seeing a lot of noise in every pairs, and I will not trade. I will just be monitoring the chart. I'll be looking at what price is doing. I'm telling you the fact and the truth. I'm seeing buys. Oh yes, our liquidity areas. Now don't forget that in forex, let's go to our forward time frame. Don't forget that in forex, whenever you are seeing lows like this, highs like this, lows like this, highs like this, lows high, that are more like fractals of candlestick, it's telling you that the buyers or the sellers of that movement, they are not really fully into the charts. Like, this is not the time that they want to move. They still need a lot of liquidity first. It's like they are gathering both late sellers and early sellers, or late buyers and early buyers. They are gathering them to take their stop loss before they can move. Now, as I'm seeing this move, I'm confused because these are liquidity pools and liquidity zones in the forex market. Now, if you observe, I will trade this buy. They took me out, break even, and I will hold my peace. I will hold my peace. You understand? So I'm price now. The one I'm looking at price now, I think price is going to come down, sweep at their stop loss before it will buy. But for now, we need to be vetting this chart. I'm not going to lie, because what I'm saying in price this period is very hectic. Same thing goes to EURUSD. See, we have noise everywhere. Noise everywhere. And it's all good. Then for EURGBP, my insight for EURGBP is, let's go to the daily time frame. I want to show you guys something. Now, if you see, EURGBP is on a buying structure It was on sales before, but it broke trend, taking out the buy side liquidity, having change of character. So now you need to expect a pullback there before the run. But now let me tell you why this buy for this EURGBP, why I'm trusting it so much. Let me tell you. Let's go to 4 hours time frame. Now, firstly, if you look at this structure, you see that yes, there was a break from here. There was a break of structure from here, and now this is the low. This is this first low, and this is the last low. But now we'll work with this. Let me tell you why we'll work with this. Because now there was a fair value gap here before, and now this is the 4 hours order block. Now price triggered this place, and now look at the impulsiveness of the way the candlestick moved. The way the candlestick reacted from this 4 hours order block, it shows that okay, buyers, they want to be in charge of this market. Look at the impulsiveness. There was a break from here, and there was a change of character, and you all know change of character as a smart fitted trader. So after change of character, you have to wait for a pullback to sweep liquidity, then before you continue the bull run. That's why I'm having a good confidence that yes, this buy is very, very on point. And my second confidence is because the way the sellers were coming as retracement, it is very, very corrective, which is telling you that yes, this order block of this nearest break of structure is going to be valid because it's corrective. But if or admin this pullback is very, very aggressive, I would not have taken this place as my POI. I would have worked with this order block as my POI. I don't know if you get. But because it is very, very corrective of the sellers, the way the sellers were coming to the market, they were not aggressive. It's telling you that okay, yes, sellers are not really into this market. That's why it's correcting like that. So which is telling you that okay, yes, buyers, they will soon be in charge. And this is the nearest zone that you can confirm that movement. So as you can see, when price just gets into this level, you can see the move of the way price just changed character. So now after change of character, you expect a pullback, then before you go with the swing. So I'm waiting for price to get to this area first before I will buy again for EURGBP. You understand? I'm seeing my algorithm already, so I have to stick and go with it. There was a break of structure, change of character with full impulsiveness. Now leaving a liquidity area because here is also a low because there was a small break from here. You understand? Now price is not coming back, setting inducement. So this place is liquidity and here is inducement. So I'm waiting for price to tap into this my 4 hours order block. Then before I swing the buy. So I don't know, but for now the forex market is more like a zigzag emotion. I'm saying price is not just really too correct for now. So what we have to do, we have to stay out of the market and be watching. It's not every time I will have to trade. If I'm not seeing my algorithm in the forex market, I will stay out and just be watching and be observing till when I see if I will trade. And that's why you're a swing trader, and that's why you are a smart fitted trader. I don't want to say much in this video, and I believe that you've learned one or two in this video. And so comment down your insights or what you think on any analysis, either the GBPUSD, EURUSD, GBPJPY, USDJPY, EURUD, GBPUSD Gold, BTC, and EURGBP. Anything you think, just comment it on the comment section and let's see how we can make money together. You know what I mean? So if you find this video very helpful, do it to like, share, comment, and engage. You know what time it is. So see you guys in our next video. Peace out, guys.